last part of the video, the fourth part, you guys should stick to that part. It's a very important drill. At the end of the video, you guys are going to see a very important drill after all the sparring that you guys are not really going to see in English videos. This is the way that a lot of gyms train here. Ernesto Boost, Max Gym, Peter Arts, Bonjaski, you name it. They all train this way, okay? They do this type of drilling.
Ja, ik weet het, gewoon doorgaan.
4, 3, 2.
In today's video, I'm going to be showing Dutch kickboxing sparring and a little bit of Dutch drilling, like the way we drill here in Holland. Keep in mind, this is a mix of, I grew up in Holland, Mexico, and America, so my mentality isn't necessarily always go light like in America or Thailand, but it is not also go hard all the time the way we do here in Holland. My style of teaching my students, especially the ones that I teach private, is sort of in between. So that's what you guys are going to see here, is how I do my very first sparring session with a student that hasn't sparred yet, or that hasn't sparred me yet. He's done karate in the past, but he hasn't really done kickboxing. So this is all new for him, and this is how I spar my students when they are new and they are starting out with their sparring. 4 things you're gonna see in my video, okay? The first type of sparring is going to be light contact, only using the left jab to the body.
Now first I punch him at half speed to the body and I let him hit me and I go a little slow. And I proceed to hit him immediately after I let him hit me. Ultimately, I will proceed to block his punch and let him have it, or throw it at the same time. And of course, up the speed and the power little by little as the time goes along.
Wow.
You're going the time, right, Leo?
Mhm.
Als hij zo gestrekt gaat.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time.
Second round is gonna be light contact, only using the left jab to the head.
Wacht niet rechts, ik wil graag naar rechts.
Ja, ik weet het. Dat is het punt van die oefening, dat je niet naar rechts gaat. Linker is belangrijker dan rechts.
Hij is wel intrinsiek.
Ja, ik weet het, gewoon doorgaan.
Kom op, 10, 9, come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, 1, time.
Nice. Third round is going to be to the head and body, semi-full or full. Okay, so a little bit harder and a little bit more unpredictable.
Nog halve minuut, kom op. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
But that's it. We're not gonna touch anything else, just the jab. The jab is that important, guys. So I like to teach my students in a way that their brain is only focused on throwing that jab correctly and defending from a jab correctly. And then I start adding more and more and more and more.
How this high volume Dutch kickboxing drill works. You guys hear één stoot, that means one punch. That means that Klaus only is allowed to punch, which in turn means I'm only allowed to kick.
1 stoot. 2 trap.
2 trap means 2 kick, which means Klaus is only allowed to kick and I'm only allowed to punch. We are doing it this way that she's specifying that he has to do a certain thing so he doesn't get confused because it's his first time. Normally you would just name the number 1, just 1 or just 2. People already know what they gotta do, or the instructor will just go hurt, hurt, or in like the Korean case hana, 2, or just call out a number or just yell or key up.
2 trap. 2 trap. 1 stoot. 1 stoot. 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 2 trap. 2. Bijna. 2 trap. 1 stoot. 3, 2, 1. Time. 1. 2.
Hoor je die?
Ja.
1.
Trap toch?
2.
Wacht, mijn voet.
1.
Yeah. Wait, let me take a break.
En hoe was dat?
Fucked up.
Waar heb je pijn?
Oh, mijn benen niet meer. Nou hier.
De enkel.
Nou hier niet meer, zo. Hier en hier niet.
Nee?
Maar alleen hier.
Ja. Wel ijs op doen als je thuis komt doen.
Ja, gewoon
Maar hoe vond je de sparren zelf? Hoe vond je het gaan?
wennen. Ja.
Rennen? Maar waar voelde je? Was je zenuwachtig?
Nee,
Helemaal niet? Wel ontspannen?
natuurlijk.
Oké, cool. Goed zo. Goed bezig, man.
Komt goed.
En volgende keer jongens, precies zo volgende
Ja,
keer.
toch?
Dan doen we nog een low kick erbij alleen.
That'll be it for part 1 of these sparring sessions with Klaus. This will have been the first time he'd ever done sparring, Dutch kickboxing sparring. So just a little background for you guys on my student Klaus, on our relationship together and everything else. Actually, the way I met him the first time, I threw him out of a bar because he was under the influence and drunk or whatever else not. He's battling a bit with addictions, but he's also training a lot. I've been training him now since the beginning of last summer, but this would have been the first time we ever did sparring because I didn't feel he was ready for it just yet. Up until now, he's only been doing outdoor training with me, private lessons, sometimes inside my house, martial arts based. But recently, in the last 2 weeks, I've been taking him to the gym. So he is also squatting, lifting. He's never lifted weights before this way. I mean, he's on benching here and there, but he's never really lifted weights. So I'm giving him all kinds of tips on what to eat, how to train, how to stretch, how to rest, everything. He wants to fight eventually. So we will see if he actually gets to that level. Because like I said, he's also battling with other issues, but he's doing a lot better than he was doing before. He's also been arrested constantly because he you know, he's under the influence sometimes. And he's also been in a lot of street fights, which is the reason why he started training with me, is actually so that he could handle himself better in street fights. But, you know, little by little, his mentality is turning around and he actually wants to fight as a sport now. And he's actually trying to stay out of trouble, basically, you know. He's got like multiple cases going against him right now in court. So, But I will keep you guys updated, and I hope he keeps going in the right path so I can keep making these videos with him. And, you know, I also hope that eventually I'll be able to spar him with a little bit more intensity. You know, little by little, I'm going to start adding things, guys. Next time I'll add the low kick. Then time after that, we'll add the hook. So you'll be able to do like the hook and the low kick and the cross. And little by little, we'll be adding middle kicks and then eventually high kicks as well. He already knows how to high kick very well. But I want to leave that part until the very, very end. You know what I'm saying, guys? Like, I don't want him to be able to throw head kicks right away. I want him to have all the bases first. Because if he does fight, he's going to fight in Dutch kickboxing. He's not going to fight in Taekwondo. So there's no point in me teaching him how to land high kicks right now in sparring. He will figure that out on his own eventually when the time comes. Till the next video, guys. Catch you later.